In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Trello with Evernote step by step. If you use Trello to manage projects and Evernote to store notes, ideas, and research, connecting the two can seriously improve your workflow. By the end of this video, you'll have Evernote linked directly to your Trello board so you can attach notes to cards and keep everything organized in one place. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the authorization step. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to your Boards page. This is where all your Trello boards are listed. From here, click on the specific board where you want to integrate Evernote. Remember, Power-Ups in Trello are enabled per board, so you'll need to add Evernote to each board individually if you want it available everywhere. After opening your chosen board, look toward the top right area of the screen and click on Power-Ups. This is where Trello allows you to extend the functionality of your board with integrations and additional features. Inside the Power-Up section, click on Add Power-Ups to open the Power-Up directory. You'll now see a search field that lets you find specific integrations. Click on the search field and type Evernote. As you type, Trello will display matching Power-Ups. When you see Evernote in the results, click on it to open the Power-Up details page. Here you'll see information about what the Evernote integration can do, such as attaching notes directly to Trello boards and linking your notebooks to your workflow. To enable it, click on the Add button. Trello will now add the Evernote Power-Up to your board. Once it's added, you'll need to configure it. Click on Settings within the Evernote Power-Up panel. This is where you connect your Evernote account to Trello. In the Settings menu, click on Authorize Account. This step is required so Trello can securely access your Evernote notes. After clicking Authorize, you'll see an option that says Link your Evernote account. Click on that button and a new pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, you'll be prompted to log into your Evernote account if you're not already signed in. Enter your Evernote credentials, then review the permissions being requested. Once you're ready, click Authorize to grant Trello access to your Evernote account. After authorization is complete, the pop-up window will close and your Evernote account will now be successfully linked to your Trello board. At this point, you can start attaching Evernote notes directly to your Trello cards, making it easier to connect your research, meeting notes, and documentation with actionable tasks. This is especially powerful for project management, content planning, research tracking, and team collaboration. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Trello with Evernote. Now your notes and tasks can work together seamlessly, helping you stay more organized and productive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.